Hello friends and welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we are making very unique and crowd-pleasing broccoli salad. Break your washed and dried broccoli into big florets, which we will further cut into small chunks, as shown. In a bowl, we are going to mix the dressing, so add the Hung Yoghurt, Mayonnaise, Red Vinegar, sugar, salt, mix all these ingredients really well to make it into a smooth dressing. To our broccoli, we will add the pomegranate seeds, chopped onion, roasted and chopped walnuts, and then we will pour over the dressing. Mix and toss the salad really well so that the dressing coats all the ingredients nicely. Now cover and keep the salad in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours before serving, or you can prepare this one day in advance as well. Remove from the fridge, garnish with some more fresh pomegranate seeds, and a lovely fresh broccoli salad is ready to be enjoyed. You will find the full written recipe in the description box below. Please like and subscribe to our channel to bring you more such recipes from around the world. Villa Chefs signing out.